Welcome to Inspire and Aspire. Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about the bank exam details. The dream job. For many aspirants after the UPSC and state PSC is bank job. Bank jobs are considered as most desired job among job seekers who are looking for safe and secure job. The craze to get a bank job never get down. యూపీఎస్సీ ఆర్ స్టేట్ పిఎస్సీ తర్వాత చాలామంది కల బ్యాంక్ ఉద్యోగమే. ఎందుకంటే బ్యాంక్ జాబ్ చాలా సెక్యూర్ అండ్ సేఫ్. చాలామంది ఇష్టంగా కూడా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతారు బ్యాంక్ జాబ్ కోసం. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ద డీటెయిల్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బ్యాంక్ జాబ్. ఎలిజిబిలిటీ. నేషనాలిటీ. హీ షుడ్ బి అన్ ఇండియన్ ఆర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ నేపాల్ ఆర్ భూటాన్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్. ఏజ్ లిమిట్. For clerks, minimum age limit is 20 years and maximum is 28 years. For management trainee or probationary officer, minimum age is 20 years and maximum age limit is 30 years. Educational qualification for clerks, graduation, and PO or minor trainee is also graduation. For management trainee, there is a specific requirements. Common recruitment process. In order to select into the bank job, we have to go for the online exam. Stages of exam is 2 stages, preliminary and mains. For both clerks and POs, we have to go for these stages. Final stage for PO is interview. Cut-off marks in each stage. Final merit list decided based on the mains examination. Let's look into the details of the examination. Common recruitment process for recruitment of clerks. Preliminary examination. It's a online test, computer-based test. There will be 3 sessions. Questions related to English language like grammar, comprehension, everything related to the English. Numerical ability, maths related problem will be given and we have to solve and we have to mark accordingly. And reasoning ability, logic based questions will be given. Medium of instruction is English. We have to operate it on the computer. Number of questions in each session is for English language there are 30 questions, numerical ability 35 and reasoning ability 35. We have to divide the time accordingly. Time allotted is 60 minutes. We have to practice and attend the examination very carefully because total number of questions are 100 and total marks are 100 marks. But the time limit is 60 minutes only. We have to practice. Practice is the key to the success in this exam. Once we clear the prelims examination, we have to attend the mains examination, and in this we have to prepare very well because this is the only last stage in the clerk's examination to get the job. Let's look into the details of this mains examination. There are the 4 sessions. General awareness or financial awareness includes the banking terms, and next one general English, comprehension, grammar related things, everything will be given under this general English. And next one reasoning ability and computer aptitude, logical reasoning, numerical reasoning and computer basic terms will be given in this session. And quantitative ability, numerical, in this session there are numerical methods, numerical related problems will be given. Number of questions in each sessions are for general or financial awareness there are 50 questions, and for general English 40 questions, reasoning ability and computer aptitude 50 questions, and quantitative aptitude 50 questions. Total number of questions are 190 and total marks allotted is 200 marks. Time limit is 160 minutes. You have to solve within the time, otherwise we have to quit the examination. Final merit list is given based on the cut-off marks in this mains examination, and offer letters are given accordingly after the verification process. Same procedure is followed for the recruitment of POs and management trainees, but there is a bit different from the clerks is the level of toughness. Toughness is bit increased in the POs examination than the clerks. Let's look into the details. The sessions include in the prelims examination are English language, quantitative ability and reasoning ability. Number of questions are for English language 30, quantitative ability 35, reasoning ability 35. Total number of questions 100. Total marks allotted 100 marks. Time given is 60 minutes. Once we clear the prelims examination, we have to attend the mains examination. Mains examination includes the objective type and descriptive type. In the objective type, we have to attend the reasoning and computer aptitude. This includes logical reasoning and computer based questions. and English language based on the English like comprehension, grammar, everything related to the English. Data analysis and interpretation. Data is given and we have to analyze and interpret according to the questions given. And general awareness, economy and banking awareness includes the general knowledge questions, economy related questions and banking related questions will be given. And for the descriptive type, English language, letter writing and essay will be given, and we have to write it in and we have to give the answer script. Number of questions in each session: reasoning and computer aptitude 45, English language 40, data analysis and interpretation 35, general awareness, economy and banking awareness 35, descriptive questions 2 questions. Total number of objective questions 155, total number of descriptive questions 2, total marks for objective questions 200, total marks for descriptive questions 25. Time allotted will be 3 hours and 30 minutes. We have to plan accordingly and we have to complete the exam within the time. There will be no extra time will be given. In every stage of the examination there will be a negative marking. We have to carefully attend the examination. Penalty for wrong answers is 1/4 of the marks assigned to that question. So we have to be very careful regarding this negative marking. Final process of recruitment. Final process for the recruitment of management trainee or POs is interview. After the shortlist into the mains examination, we have to attend the interview to get into the final merit list. There will be no interview for the clerk post. Final merit list will be based upon the mains examination. ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీకు యూస్ఫుల్ అనిపిస్తే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ ద వీడియో. బాయ్ బాయ్.